Okay, so here is the update. I finally got my car back from the mechanic after waiting all day, like half a day. And there's some good news and some bad news. The good news is my suspicions were right, and it is the catalytic converter. That's the good news. The bad news is it is the catalytic converter, and those things are expensive. In case you didn't watch my other video, this is a 2008 Infiniti G37. Clean title. I got it maybe like 3 years ago. The dealership took a shit on me. I didn't know what the hell I was doing. So now I just got to make the best of it. I mean, at least I got a decent car with some decent power, you know. The only thing I've replaced on this car has been the air conditioning on the front. Something flew into the front grille right here and busted up my thing and my what is that thing, the heat exchanger or something like that. Let out all my Freon. I had to replace that, load it back up. That was about maybe $1,300. So now I have this issue with the catalytic converter. Not really excited about it, kind of bummed out actually. But the good news is that there's no check engine light. The car's not overheating. The car is running fine. It's not feeling sluggish. Those are some of the symptoms that the mechanic let me know could happen down the road. Luckily for me, I just got this car smogged maybe like 2 months ago. My registration was due and they required a smog and it passed it. So happy about that now that I think about it. But I don't have to smog it next year, I don't think. Hopefully I get to skip it and that'll give me some time to save up money. You know, I'm just praying that I have enough time to save up the money so I can replace this damn catalytic converter. It's only one. It's actually just the passenger side one that's rattling inside. There's like a piece in there. It's, you know, the honeycomb that runs in there, and I guess it broke apart, and now it's rattling. So, you know, I live in the great state, the wonderful place of California. If I lived anywhere else, I'd just say cut that shit off and let's go, you know, straight pipe this thing. But, you know, good old California, man. You can't, you know, you're free in certain ways, but in other ways they just really stick it to you, man. So I don't know, I'm gonna look to replace it with an aftermarket. Might do both. I might just do one right now to just get it running clean and really just work on getting this thing running really good, you know. Saw some comments here, you know, in my other video, and yeah, it made a good point, you know. It's get this thing running nice and clean first before you start doing anything cosmetic to it, you know. And it's a really good point. So that's where I'm at right now. Catalytic converters are bad, and if you watch my first video, that's exactly what they sound like. Like a little bit of a rattle. The rattle gets louder as your RPMs start to go up, but once they go up past, like, I would say 2,000, you won't hear it. I don't know if it's vibrating so much that it just doesn't, or it gets stuck somewhere or something, but right now you could hear it. I know it's just obviously in park. You could hear it moving around down there. And that's part of it right there. So that's where we're at, man. I mean, this car's been good to me. I love the power, I love the car, and it's great, but really bummed out about this. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to do more stuff, you know, keep making videos of how this thing's coming along, a little bit at a time. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Again, thanks for watching, and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, or if this happened to you and you figured out a cheaper way to do it that's legal in California. Because if it isn't, it'll be like, oh, just go test pipes or aftermarket or this and that, and it's like, yeah, but not all aftermarket catalytic converters are legal in California, because California, that's why. So checking out, thank you again.